and welcome to KCIS Newswave, The Surge, where we bring you the latest achievements, events and celebrations from KC International School, Jammu. I'm Mansheen Paul
And I'm Tejal Pandita, your anchors for this episode.
From heritage quizzes to cricket tournaments. It's been an action-packed journey this spring. So sit back as we take you through the highlights from the month of May and April, inspiring minds and igniting futures.
The International School kicked off its new academic year on April 7, 2025 with a vibrant and inspiring special assembly. Students were welcomed back with enthusiasm and promise, setting the tone for a year of discovery, growth and excellence. Principal Ms. Anupama Sinha highlighted exciting new ventures and opportunities, emphasizing the school's commitment to holistic development and academic excellence.
The school's athletic grounds were abuzz with energy and spirit as KC International School hosted its inter-house athletic meet for classes 6 to 9 on April 17, following trials on April 9th and 10th. Under the supervision of activity coordinator and the expert management by the sports teachers, Mr. Ratan Singh and Mr. Adonis Matu, the event showcased exceptional athleticism, teamwork and house pride. Congratulations to all the winners and participants.
KCIS Senior Wing students conducted a meaningful morning assembly on April 18, 2025, focusing on self-discipline and excellence. The event included a felicitation ceremony honoring SOF achievers and HelpAge India contributors who received recognition for their accomplishments. Senior Coordinator Ms. Aarti Agarwal and Vice Principal Ms. Roma Devi shared inspiring words, setting a positive tone for the new school year.
To celebrate World Heritage Day, the Social Science Department of KCIS organized a thrilling quiz competition on April 21st, 2025. 4 teams from classes 9 and 10th participated, showcasing their knowledge of historical monuments and cultural heritage. The event consisted of 4 engaging rounds, and the participants received appreciation from the school's principal and vice principal for their efforts and enthusiasm.
On April 24th, Tejal Pandita and Vansheen Kaul of Class 12 Humanities led an inspiring session on mental health and leadership for classes 9th and 11th, sharing valuable insights from recent summits. The session promoted self-care, emotional resilience, and youth leadership.
On May 2nd, KCIS organized a drug awareness program and poster-making competition in collaboration with J&K Excise Department under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan initiative. The event aimed to educate students about the dangers of drug abuse and encourage informed choices. Students participated enthusiastically in the poster-making competition with Sara Ghai, Sonakshi Manhas and Suhani Gandotra securing the top 3 positions.
Resource person Vikas Sharma delivered a compelling lecture on the effects of drug abuse, while chief guest Sanjay Kumar Bhatt, Deputy Excise Commissioner, emphasized the importance of collective efforts in combating substance abuse. The event concluded with a vote of thanks by Vice Principal Roma Gupta, reinforcing the school's commitment to fostering a healthy community.
KCIS successfully hosted the Sri Vinay Mahajan Under-17 Inter-School Cricket Tournament 2025 in collaboration with Cricket Academy of Pathans. The tournament featured 8 leading schools, with Model Academy Jammu emerging as the winner after a closely contested final match against KCIS. The event celebrated individual excellence, with Mehran Khan being named as the man of the match and the best bowler, and Karanveer Sharma receiving the best batsman award.
KC International School achieves 100% passing result for classes 10th and 12th in the 2024-25 session. Congratulations to the students, parents and faculty members for their hard work and dedication.
KC International School's investiture ceremony took place on May 24, 2025. The ceremony was praised by Chief Guest Ms. Sunaina Sharma Mehta, JKAS, and the guest of honor including Mr. Ram Sevak, Ms. Renu Kumari Basin, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Bhatt, Mr. Ajay Sharma, Dr. Karunika and Mr. Rajesh Badu, along with school dignitaries Mr. Chaitanya Chaudhary and Principal Ms. Anupama Sinha. The new student council members took their oath, pledging to work with responsibility and
On May 27, 2025, KCIS Club inauguration and announcement took place, marking the official commencement of several new clubs, providing students with opportunities to explore their interests and talents through various extracurricular activities.
To wrap up for this month's news bulletin with a packed calendar of exciting events ahead, stay tuned for more inspiring stories and updates.
Keep shining, stay curious, and let's keep the momentum going. We can't wait to share more with you next time. Until then, stay motivated and stay inspired.
Thank you. To wrap up for